Good morning, welcome. We'll begin on our bellies for this 10-minute yoga flow. In Sphinx pose, bring your elbows directly under the shoulders. Spread your fingers wide. Pull your heart forward in between your arms. Engage your thighs so your kneecaps lift up away from the mat. Allow the shoulder blades to relax down away from your ears towards your sacrum, your low back. And then exhale, bring your hands, so the backs of your hands towards your low back. Inhale, lift your right arm and left leg. Exhale, sweep your right arm back. Inhale, sweep your left arm forward, lift your right leg. Exhale, lower your left cheek to the floor. Inhale, sweep your right arm forward, lift your left leg. Exhale, sweep your arm back, lower your right cheek to the floor. Inhale, sweep the left arm forward, lift the right leg. Exhale, left cheek to the floor. Inhale, lift the right arm. Exhale, right cheek to the floor. Inhale, sweep the left arm up, right leg up. Exhale, left cheek to the floor. Moving a couple more times in your own rhythm at your own pace. Lifting opposite leg and arm up, and relaxing, releasing down. Then bring your hands next to your chest. Lift your heart, Cobra, Bhujangasana. Roll those shoulders really back. Inhale, lift the heart. Exhale, slowly lower with length. So it's like you're curling up the spine and lowering down with even more space in the spine down. Press the mat away. Curl the toes under. Adho Mukha Shavasana. Lift the hips up and back. Engage the thighs to release the backs of the legs a little bit more. And then see if there are any wrinkles where your ankles are, and lift up a little bit the heels to iron out those wrinkles. Inhale, sweep the right leg up to the sky. Exhale, knee to nose. Inhale, extend the leg up and back. Exhale, knee to right elbow. Inhale, extend the leg up, and then knee towards left elbow. Inhale, last time, extend the leg up. And exhale, bend the knee, step it between the feet. You can always help your foot forward, no problem. Pivot your left heel down to the mat, square the hips, rise up, Virabhadrasana 1. On your exhalation, press your palms together. On your inhalation, widen your palms apart. So on your inhalation, lift and extend. Exhale, press the palms together. Inhale, only your fingertips touch. Exhale, press the palms to the heart. Once again, open the palms away from each other. Exhale, press the palms together. Inhale, rise up a little. Exhale, bend deep into the front knee. Moving in a micro pulse here, pulling the energy in towards the heart area. Straighten your back leg more than it's ever been. Square the hips, stretch the arms forward. Come up on your back toes, slow lunge. Lower your back knee down towards the mat and straighten your front leg, flex your toes towards you. Fold Ardha Hanumanasana. Reground into the front foot, bend the knee. Relax, release the hips, then curl the back toes under, lift and straighten the leg, low lunge, step your feet together. Inhale, lengthen the spine, Ardha Uttanasana, exhale, Uttanasana. Inhale, lengthen, and exhale, fold. One more time. Long neck, long spine. Fold forward, weight in the balls of the feet. Step back with the right leg, pivot the right heel down, pull the left hip back, right hip forward, rise up, Virabhadrasana 1. Soften your ribs in, bend deeply into the front knee. On your inhalation, separate the palms. Exhale, press the palms together. Inhale, only fingertips touch. Exhale, press the base of the palms back together. So we're moving in a micro pulse here in the body. Bring the hands down to the heart, and once again, inhale, separate the palms. Exhale, press the palms together. Inhale, only fingertips touch. Exhale, press the palms together. A few more times. Stretch the arms forward. Come up on your back toes, low lunge. Slowly release the knee softly to the mat. Straighten your front leg, flex your toes, and fold forward. Inhale, rebend into the front knee. Curl the back toes under. Step the back foot forward to meet the left. Inhale, lengthen the spine, and exhale, fold over your legs. Step way back with the right leg. Heel to arch alignment. Come up, Virabhadrasana 2, shoulders above hips. Really engage the low abs so you can lengthen your tailbone down here. Relax your shoulders away from your ears. Side body long. Get down deeper with the hips. Inhale, straighten the front leg. Straighten the arms up to the sky. Exhale, bend deeply. Inhale, straight up. Pivot the toes forward, coming into Virabhadrasana 2 on the other side. Straighten your back leg. Make sure your toes are in line with the knee. Shoulders stack over hips. Bend deeply so the thigh comes more parallel to the earth. Inhale, straighten the legs, straighten the arms. Bend to the side, work the side waist. Inhale, lift straight up. Bring the toes to face the long edge of the mat. Step your feet together, hands to heart. Coming into tree pose, you can stay up on your toes, foot to the calf or into the inner thigh, but avoid the knee area. Inhale, extend the arms out. Exhale, press your palms together. Open your fingertips apart. Exhale, release. So we're gifting a lotus bloom out into the world. We're pulling energy from the heart, gifting it out. Release. Pull the knee in towards the chest and relax. Other side. You can always stay here with your toes on the mat or foot to the shin. Help it up to the inner thigh so you avoid the knee area. You can keep your hands to your heart or move in this flow on the inhalation, gifting your lotus bloom out. Exhale the hands to the side. Pull the knee into the chest, give it a little squeeze, and release. Facing the front of the mat, inhale, sweep the palms out and up. And exhale, sit down deep, elbows or the forearms to your thighs. Your feet are like mat width. This is very healing for the low back and strengthening for the legs. If you want to come deeper, sit down in between the knees, bring your elbows to the inner thighs, lengthen the spine. Stay here if you want to play today. Ground your hands. Now squeeze, squeeze, squeeze your knees into your forearms, around your legs. Lift perhaps one foot up, perhaps the other foot up here in crane pose. If you can straighten your arms, do it. And then release back down to the mat. Flowing all the way down onto your back, straighten your legs straight up to the sky, hands to the belly. Inhale, inflate your belly up as big as you can into your hands. And exhale, pull your belly down towards the floor. A few more breaths. Then begin to roll out your wrists and your ankles one direction and the other. Allow the knees To stay over the heels, walk one shoulder under and then the other, interlace the fingers, and lift your hips up for bridge pose. Imagine you're squeezing a block in between the thighs. Keep the knees tracking over the ankles. Spread a little bit more across the chest. Lift. And then roll the shoulders out, lower back down. Walk the feet out to the edge of the mat and allow the knees to fall in towards one another. And allow the knees to fall towards the right. And now allow the knees to fall towards the left. Bring the knees into the chest, give them a squeeze, and then roll up to seated. I'm wishing you a beautiful day full of laughter and love. Namaste.